So Sean Paul get himself in a big body hole. Sean Paul saying eat pum pum. Ooh, yes, no, Spanish time. I think they get pretty up and do all the extraness to this video. If you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on this statement that Sean Paul made and more, please keep on watching your girl right here. So, Sean Paul was on The Breakfast Club a few days ago, and on the video, I wanted to insert little clips, but the last time I did that with The Breakfast Club, they took down my video, so I won't be doing that. So, Sean Paul say him eat pum pum. And honestly, he didn't say he eat pum pum. A lot of people are going in on him and saying how he a bow cat and all these things. But in all honesty, if you watch the full video and the full length of the video, you will understand why he said what he said. He was trying to clarify how we say pum pum. Okay? And Angela, you said that was like you can say Punnay and all these things. But in all honesty, he didn't say he eat pum pum. And if he eat pum pum, so what? Okay? He is a married man. So what if he nyam pum pum? None of these Jamaican men, especially Ashaiba was a body hypocrite. Like, they are so against eating pum pum, so against Batman or gays, but in all honesty, they're the same one that's eating pum pum, and they're the same one that suck off buckle per internet. Okay, alright, they're the same one, so none of them are shy but was a body hypocrite. But let's get straight into the point and into the meat of the matter. I'm a Jamaican, born and raised. I just moved here a few years ago. I won't tell you guys exactly when I moved here. It's none of your business. But I moved here a few days ago, and I'm a person I rather date within my culture. I've dated outside of my culture about 2 times, and to say the least, it didn't go well. But let's get this straight. I've always dated in my culture, so I'm talking from experience. I'm talking from a woman's perspective. Enough Jamaican man suck pussy. I'm sorry. Enough of them eat pum pum. I'm sorry to bust the myth. I'm sorry to break the bubble. Enough of these Jamaican men nyam pum pum. Them nyam pussy like dog. Okay? And I'm just being 100% real with you. Them nyam pum pum. Let me say it again. No Jamaican man nyam pum pum. And I'm not gonna say all, but if you don't eat pum pum, that's your business. If you nyam pum pum, that's your business too. No one cares. It's your personal preference and what you do behind closed doors. So if you eat pum pum, most Jamaican men eat pum pum and they do it on the low. They do it to them personal woman. Them do it to the woman them when they know so they won't deal with and a wife up. And yo, me and the girl are there for about a year and a half. So you know it's your time for spice you up and do some new things and 69 and all these things. You guys know what happened in bedrooms, okay? That's what they do. And it's not so rampant in our culture where like how Charlemagne just brawling out to him eat pum pum and all these things. That's not how we are with it in our culture. The Jamaican men, they rather hide it. And when they get to a certain point or a certain level in their relationship, then they'll express their wants or their need to try eating pum pum or experimenting with their woman eating pum pum and all these things. So, to say the least, enough enough Jamaican man eat pum pum. Okay, and I'm talking from personal experience. No Jamaican man eat pum pum. They may not be as brawling as these American men are or African American men are with it, but they do eat pum pum, and them eat pum pum on the low. So all this thing with Sean Paul about cleanliness and Jamaican men don't eat pum pum because of cleanliness. Let's give you some facts right here. A vagina is cleaner than a person's mouth. And why? You have to brush your teeth and actually clean your gums and kill bacteria and stuff. A vagina naturally does that. Okay, so in a woman's day cycle, the vagina cleans itself out every single day. Okay, so when she gonna be done, these things are pum pum, well, fresh and nice. For you people that love talk about cleanliness and all these things, and that's why I don't eat pum pum. Whatever. That's some old wives' tale, some old myth from 19 how long, which is not true. And Sean Paul also said something very, very important in this video about Marcus Messiah Garvey and him wanting someone to depict him in a good light or depict his life story better. And this is where the interview got interesting for me. All the BS that was talking about typical Jamaican and eating pum pum and all that stereotypical Jamaican stuff, he got all that out the way and actually talked about some serious stuff. Marcus Messiah Garvey, we need to, as people, understand that he was a pioneer. He is a hero regardless of his felony charge that he has here in America. And he's Jamaica's national hero, and he will forever be our national hero, irregardless of what a piece of paper say. And Sean Paul is willing to put down money to make a movie about Marcus Messiah Garvey. And I actually hope that he keeps his word and actually goes through with making this movie, because I feel like this would be a good look, not only for Jamaica, not only for dancehall music, but also for Jamaican culture in general. So I'm hoping actually take the time out and actually do this movie and do it justice, because I feel like he knows a lot and he has the tools and the resources to actually really depict him the way he's supposed to be depicted, and not just take out some part and replace some part and fling with some part and all the he can be a controversial figure, and he can do the movie justice, is what I'm trying to say. So that's my thoughts and opinions on this whole eating pum pum business. Comment in the comment section below and tell me, more the woman them talk up things them, and tell me if Jamaican man not eat pum pum. Please talk up the things them, okay? And I need the man to talk if them eat pum pum or not, because only can't get to the hood suck 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and then only not suck man pum pum. Where does that come in? Where does that work? That's kind of ironic, cause you have to give to get. If you ever know about that, if you ever hear about that, you have to give to get. So comment in the comment section below, tell me what you guys think about the whole eating pum pum business, and also the Marcus Messiah movie that Sean Paul had a lot to say about. Comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm out of here. Deuce.